Parasports Club of Tanzania on 29th April at the Uhuru Stadium in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. And the team actually, which is currently training, they're saying that they will be leaving the country on Saturday, and they have a lot that is expected from them. And they're saying that they will use the 2 weeks actually campaign for them in their just sharpening their arsenal, and they're optimistic that they will be able to have a positive result while playing away against the Tanzanian outfit.
Mombasa Amputee Football Club, we are the champions out of the 10 amputee clubs in Kenya. So tumekuja kujiprepare twende tukashindane na hao wenzetu ambao pia nao they are the champions in Tanzania.
So ile kitu ambayo ningependa tu kuomba, manake tuko na games nyingi ambazo tunafaa kuparticipate kama champions wa Kenya, Mombasa Amputee. Timu hii iweze kuangaziwa zaidi. Sana sana na Mombasa County, tunaomba msituweke nyuma.
Kitu ambacho nataka nitilie mkazo ni kuomba wafadhili. Manake hii timu kama mnavyoona ni ya wenzetu ambao ni walemavu. Kama sasa kuna mmoja tunasubiria hapa hajafika kwa sababu ya transport, atembea na mguu. Mheshimiwa Abdulswamad, hakikisha hawa vijana wakileta kile kikombe ambao tunakuhakikishia watakuja nacho, ya kwamba wapate ajira.
So a lot always happens in the world of sports. I know we have some different sports in the country. Some are individual sports, others are also team sports. But also in the spirit of individual sports like athletics, table tennis, badminton, and all the sports that we have on the cards, I know teamwork always plays a critical role for the world of athletics, specifically for the marathoners, because they're saying that as much as they run as a person, then some team efforts always come handy, and that is why we also have a pacing while at it. So how well has the Kenyan athletes been able to utilize pacing, and how well have they been able to utilize the teamwork in their quest to win the medals for the country? That is what I'll leave you with, because the Kenyan athletes are saying, yes, we can, yes, we will, but they also know how important